How to fix Windows Update error code 0x8024a105. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows Update error code 0x8024a105. 1. Disable Background Intelligent Transfer Service. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Delete all content in software distribution folder at c:\windows\soft_twa redistribution\download on Windows safe mode. 4. Modify Windows Update settings. Uncheck the Give me updates for other Microsoft products when I update Windows option. 5. Reset Windows Update components. 6. Check your internet connection. 7. Run the D. Perform a clean boot. 9. Reset the Catra2 folder. Run the following commands as admin: netstop cryptsvcmd% system root %system 32 /catra2.old scopy %system root %system 32 /catra2 system root %system 32 /catra2.old /s delete all of the files in Catra2 folder at c:\windows /system 32 /catra2. Run the following command as admin: netstart cryptsvc10. Reinstall Windows 10, then re-update your system to the latest version. 11. Restart the PC and change your internet connection like from Wi-Fi to LAN. 12. Update Windows 10 drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 13. Set administrator to group membership under the users tab via NetWiz. 14. Update using media creation tool. 15. Configure services to start automatically by running these commands as admin. scconfig wowserv start equals auto scconfig bit start equals auto scconfig cryptsvc start equals auto scconfig trusted installer start equals auto 16. Re-register Windows Update and bits files by running these commands as admin. regsper32.exe, Atlantic DLL regsper32.exe, Earlman.dll, regsper32.exe, mshtml.dll, regsper32.exe, shtpwa.dll, regsper32.exe, browsui.dll, regsper32.exe, jscript.dll, regsper32.exe, bbscript.dll, regsper32.exe, skrun.dll, regsper32.exe, msxml.dll, regsper32.exe, msxml3.dll, regsper32.exe, msxml6.dll, regsper32.exe, axspirsa.dll, regsper32.exe, softpub.dll, regsper32.exe, wintrust.dll, regsper32.exe, sen.dll, regsper32.exe, arsen.dll, regsper32.exe, gpkcsp.dll, regsper32.exe, space.dll, regsper32.exe, slbcsp.dll, regsper32.exe, cryptdlg.dll, regsper32.exe, oliat32.dll, regsper32.exe, ol32.dll, regsper32.exe, shell32.dll, regsper32.exe, initpk.dll, regsper32.exe, wapi.dll, regsper32.exe, wang.dll, regsper32.exe, wang1.dll, regsper32.exe, waptui.dll, regsper32.exe, whoops.dll, regsper32.exe, whoops2.dll, regsper32.exe, weobib.dll, regsper32.exe, qmgr.dll, regsper32.exe, qmgrprxy.dll, regsper32.exe, wobtux.dll, regsper32.exe, muweb.dll, regsper32.exe, weobib.dll,